Hello, this video will show how to make metallic car paint material in Blender. This is the default scenes of the Blender. I delete all the default objects and then I add a sphere. This sphere will be used for applying the material. I'll make it not smooth. Also, we can go to modify properties and add the subdivision surface to make it smooth. And then we can split the viewports into two. One is switching to material preview. Another one, we can switch to shader editor. To apply the material, make sure that we select the sphere or the object, and then we can go to material properties to add the new material by clicking new button, or we can click the new button in the shader editor. The default new material is based on Principled BSDF material. I rename it to metallic car paint. And then we can change the color by using base color. The default color is white. We can change it to green, blue, purple, or red. I will use red color by enter the hex code. I will use FF2800. And then we can adjust the roughness here. Increase the roughness, make it rough. For the carving, I want to make it shine, so I make roughness to 0.1. And then we can make the metal looking by changing the metallic. I will use 1 in the metallic. And then specular, I adjust it to 1 to make the highlights more shiny. And then for the carving, there's a coating, so we can increase the clear coat to 1. This is basic car paint material by using Principled BSDF look. Next, I'd like to add some silver powder on the surface. So I Shift A to add Max Shader and put it here. And I duplicate this Principled BSDF look and change the base color to white and connect to the second shader in the mix shader. And then we can use Shift A to add noise texture. Shift A to add color ramp. I use feather, connect to feather, and color, connect to feather. And then we can control the color bar in color ramp. I will put the black color about 0.6 and the white color, put it in 0.8. And then we can adjust the size of the noise texture. I will use 250. So we can see that there's some silver powder applied on the surface of car paint. And then we can control the positioning of the noise texture by adding mapping and texture coordinate. I will use object connect to feather, feather connect to feather. And then I will add some dark metallic powder texture on it. I will use some Max Shader, Principled BSDF look, and some note here, copy and paste, and put it here. Disconnect the material outputs. I will use the old Max Shader to connect to new Max Shader. And then the new Max Shader connects to material outputs. And then we can change the base color to dark, and then use the mapping to move the noise texture. So we can close up to see there's some dark powder texture applied on this material. In addition, we can control the distribution of noise texture by control the color bar in color ramp. I will use 0.5 here. This is how we can make metallic car paints material in Blender. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Matty. See you in the next video. Bye bye.